SP Best here, and today we are going to learn how to animate. So we'll just go to costume, get rid of that cat. Actually, get rid of the actual cat over there. We're going to paint a new sprite. We're going to Okay, I got some tech issues. There. So now we should get a circle. First make a circle, whatever color you like. I'm gonna do my skin color. Change it up however you want. Hold down shift to make a perfect circle. So, okay, good. Now that you've got that, let's make that 0, 0. So next we'll add the body. We're gonna do a stick man for now. Change that to 7. We're gonna hold shift to make a straight line. And above that, we're gonna do another line. Actually, we'll connect that. We'll connect that. Okay, so it's supposed to be a blue dot. It's not coming from this somehow. Okay. Okay. I want to do some art here. First, just make a nice little V. If it didn't work out, it's not for you. Oh, control V. Why is it that? Move that like over there. Ta-da. And we're going to move that here. I'm bad drawing stick people, so it's fine. Then we move this one here. We're just gonna make him stay here. So then we'll copy everything. Control A, Control C, paint, Control V. Next, let's go to the reshape tool. Zoom in a bit. See that? We're going to move that a little. Control A, Control C, paint, Control V. Oh. And then we're going to keep copying and pasting, changing it a little on each costume. This will take some time. We're going to skip. We're going to go this. Control A, Control C, Control V, Control A, Control V. And also, if you're on an Apple device or something, it's probably going to do Command I'm gonna del device, so there's control A, control V, and then done. So now we'll go to code. Click, and then rubber. Oops, I put it on. We're going to put a wait 0.1 second block. Wait 1. What's wrong with it? We're going to type point. And then looks. Let's see what happens. Then if we want to make that smoother, we can slow it down. We can make that faster. 5. No, that's how you animate. This is a little shorter of a tutorial, so I'll do it a little later. I'll make another animating tutorial like with lip sync, mouthing, all that stuff a little later. Okay then, bye.